As a beginner ESL student working as a barista, it is essential to understand and become familiar with the past perfect continuous tense. This tense can be particularly useful in describing actions that were ongoing in the past leading up to another past event. In the context of a busy shift at a coffee shop, using the past perfect continuous tense can help you convey a sense of timeline and continuity in your interactions with customers. Let's start with the basic structure of the past perfect continuous tense. To form this tense, you need to combine the auxiliary verb, had, with the past participle of be, been, and the present participle of the main verb ing form. For example, I had been working, or she had been making coffee. Now, let's look at some illustrative examples of how you can use the past perfect continuous tense in your interactions with customers during a busy shift. 1. I had been preparing the espresso shots for the past hour before the machine suddenly broke down. 2. They had been waiting for their lattes for quite some time before we ran out of milk. 3. She had been cleaning the blender when the rush of customers came in. Out, break it, tooth. We had been serving customers non-stop since the morning rush began. Lituania, Brazil and GT, sim. He had been grinding the beans for the new batch of coffee before realizing he had run out. In each of these examples, the use of the past perfect continuous tense helps to provide context and convey a continuous action that was ongoing in the past. By using this tense, you can paint a clearer picture of the sequence of events that occurred during a busy shift at the coffee shop. In conclusion, mastering the past perfect continuous tense is crucial for beginner ESL students working in a fast-paced environment like a coffee shop. By using this tense effectively, you can enhance your communication skills and provide a more detailed and nuanced description of past events. Practice using this tense in your daily interactions, and soon you'll become more confident in expressing yourself fluently and accurately.